Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to simply sell USDT on Binance P2P. So in this video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can simply sell your USDT on Binance P2P. So let's get started. So the first step is to open the Binance app and log into your account. Then from there you have to go to the P2P trading section. So to do that, you have to tap on trade at the bottom of the screen, then select P2P from the option, then switch to, after that, then you have to switch to sell. So switch to sell because we have the buy and the sell. So switch to sell. Then after that, on the P2P page, tap on sell at the top and select the USDT, which is the coin you want to sell. So choose the USDT from the list of the cryptocurrency. Then after that, choose a buyer from the list based on the price, payment method, and trading limit. Then after that, tap sell next to the buyer's profile. Then input the amount of USDT you want to sell. Then confirm the payment method for receiving fund. Then after that, review the transaction details and tap sell USDT to confirm. Then after that, wait for the buyers to complete the payment. Do not release USDT until you confirmed the receipt of the payment in your bank account or choosing method. Then after that, once you've received the payment, tap on payment received and confirm to release USDT to the buyer. Then after that, the transaction is completed, you can check your balance in the flat wallet. And that's just a simple step-by-step guide on how to sell USDT on Binance P2P. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.